What's good, YouTube? In this video we'll be taking a look at how to turn your Instagram account into a private account on iPhone for iOS. This will work for the iPhone 13 and most newer versions of iPhone as well. So thankfully on the iPhone it's pretty easy and pretty straightforward to turn your Instagram account into a private account. So from Instagram, what you want to do is hit the three black bars at the top right of the screen here. From there, you want to go into settings, and then from there, what you want to do is go into privacy. From privacy, you'll see that the top choice is private account. If you toggle this on, your Instagram account is now private, and you get a prompt to switch to the private account. From the private account, only your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. This won't change who you can message, tag, and mention, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. And if you hit the final button there, your Instagram account will be switched to private. So there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to switch your Instagram account to private on the iPhone for iOS. If you like this kind of content, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.